Guys, you see Bitcoin might have fallen below 70,000, and that's a drop of like 4.7% over the last 24 hours. However, the news that we have is really interesting. Just don't focus on this. Stay invested in Bitcoin. It's going to be the future. So you see guys, the interesting news is that Bitcoin has surpassed both Beyoncé and Taylor Swift in the Google weekly searches. And we also know that the interest for Bitcoin has peaked to its highest in over a year, and that led to outperforming the search volume for Taylor Swift over the past week. And Bitcoin also reached its all-time high of 73,737 US dollars lately, and that also brought a lot of interest to Bitcoin, and in my opinion, hence that's why Bitcoin has topped the searches. Now let's read the article. So this article is from Bloomberg, mentioning that Bitcoin played the anti-hero this week, stealing the spotlight from pop icons Taylor Swift and Beyoncé in Google search popularity. Interesting. So Bitcoin's record-breaking rally has sent searches for the largest cryptocurrency to their highest point in over a year, attracting more US searches than two music artists combined over the past week. Now this is from the Google Trends data. This is also worth reading that over the Super Bowl weekend early February, searches for Swift were 14 times higher than they were for Bitcoin. But a March spike in interest for the digital asset has quickly inversed this relationship. Yeah, and now our favorite Bitcoin, that's on top, seeing an average rating of 53 in the last week compared to Swift and Beyoncé, who have an average rating of 38 and 9. And it's also worth mentioning here that Google Trend data does not display raw search numbers, so we aren't sure how many searches they are, how many people search this Bitcoin. However, it uses an index from 0 to 100 to show relative search popularity, and in that Bitcoin tops with 53. So guys, not really a huge news to drive up the price action, but the thing is I found it interesting and I thought I have to share it with you guys. So watch my other videos on the channel if you want to know more about Bitcoin or what's happening in the Bitcoin space.